Hi there, students. A firebrand, a countable noun, a person. A firebrand is a rebel, a troublemaker, somebody who stirs up trouble, particularly in political or social frameworks. Yeah, so he's trying to change his image of being a left-wing political firebrand, a person who's very passionate about a particular cause, a political firebrand. Notice you can also use the word a firebrand to talk about a piece of burning wood. Normally, you see these vampire films where they all go searching for the vampire with these pieces of wood that are burning. Yeah, these are firebrands. You take a piece of wood that is burning from the fire, so one end is cool and it's not, and this is a firebrand. This is the original meaning of firebrand. But a firebrand, we used to talk about somebody who's argumentative, who's a troublemaker, who is an agitator, a revolutionary. They agitate against the status quo. They try and change the way things are. They stir up trouble. They try to kindle a revolt, a rabble rouser, an activist, an instigator, an agitator. Yeah, a soapbox orator. Yeah, so he has a reputation as a young firebrand. Yeah, as somebody who's inciting the people to act, to get them to act. Okay, so a firebrand is somebody running around with this, I think, trying to set light to different people. Yeah, somebody that tries to create unrest and strife, particularly aggressively promoting a certain cause. Somebody who's very active in politics. They normally try to take strong action. Yeah, they're fomenting change, they're causing unrest, and they're very energetic about it. Okay, so a firebrand. Yeah, I'm trying to think of good examples. I think maybe che Guevara was a firebrand. I think maybe Fidel Castro was a firebrand as well. But yeah, that's a good one. Different ecological firebrands, people who are radically promoting the cause of looking after our world. Yeah, so a firebrand, a radical, a revolutionary, somebody who's trying to make change. Formality. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. I think use it anywhere, maybe not in something very, very formal, but I think you could use a firebrand more or less anywhere. And then as to origin, well, it comes from the words fire and brand. Yeah, it's linked to the German word, or a cognate with the German word Firebrand. Yeah, a firebrand. So fire, you know, and then brand comes from a Proto-Germanic word, brandas, a burning torch. Yeah, so a firebrand. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A firebrand.